Racing Golden FC. Now Jai Hanuman FC, lovely shot, and there is a well controlled received by player of team Jai Hanuman FC. Jai Hanuman FC now direct to the right and Todo, lovely for free-flowing shot. Now again Sony once again there is a little bit header by Ranoi, and once again Ramchakko there to Sony, once again Sony, little bit less powerful of shot. Maybe Jai Hanuman FC back. There is a player of defender. Puria pada 11 nombor ko pai ball bori sakti distil bhavare number 11 ago ko dei ball 9 number khan ko pai cross neme ebo cross ma ko dei nahanti side defender sudha soko ball ori thore right and Todo barung ko pai ball Sumarno sujog hato chora koriଥିଲା ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଭାବରେ ଏବଂ Monty Montgomery clear. Duro target. Taum Borsori, Dukisam Borsori Rezaiba Nikla, Ebon, collection Choido. Monitra got ball, Dire for the Jai Hanuman FC, Rokari got a ball, Jai Hanuman FC, and Kama going to Borichi, issue of Hawaii, Robaisina Post, Chicago Duro target. The body power of attack got the takes like body power. Rohit Motor right on Chorohama. Guru Shikin Dunakamia, Premier Ball Rocky Baruahan finished the power. Declaring Halka Sake, Suramaha is in the Kwasa Delia Halaki, Akhi Bakme, Obrabai Pens, Sotia Kalekina Kamia, Sotakoi, and I read the lights. गोल किक आएगा बढ़िया शॉट दुखिसाम के द्वारा और चुनु महान को तैयार कोशिश दूर से प्रहार राइसन टूडू का जय हनुमान एफसी पास्टा जय हनुमान एफसी पास्टा खान जिला बोलता उनका के हमला लगी कुरुकुरु बनाती मोदरे गोल को लगी चेष्टा Gulgoplepan, we can always send it on Warren to the Monella. We're not fight the stars, Saurin on that team, and Jai Hanuman. Because they can send it to an attack, we are putting in a one tag in it all. One stylish shot in the Katra. We are team for a game to Sote. Ore, subject to the time at the piece down. Or the piece down. And then I ball, I look at it. Sauri cuma bahan ko lagi ball lagi rogai short kore short Sauri anu jadi banyak nyamkan brode huri short Sauri nore mokon naik ke short Sony lagi ball kore Sony one kage itu jadi banyak